And when I say endurance, I'm not saying work yourself with no plan. Endurance requires strategy. It means maintaining a relationship and a commitment with your goals and your dreams and where you want to go. A lot of people don't like to network because they aimlessly network. They don't know where they're going, they don't know why they're doing it, and they don't get results. Endurance means having a commitment to yourself. It means addressing issues directly, to understand your own perspective, and to keep working towards your desired goal. Let me give you an example. When I was doing my first event, everybody who I knew told me it's bad timing, nobody's gonna show up, I shouldn't be doing it. I looked at them and told them, thank you so much for your feedback, and continue to proceed. And of course, with the help of God and other supporters, I had a sold out event, but I had to endure that conflict. I had to take that in. I had to believe when nobody else around me could see my vision. You have to have that level of endurance and that level of self-belief to actually be able to execute. This is what endurance looks like.